Welcome to RPS Group of Schools online classes. This is session 5 for the chapter Light. In today's session, we will study dispersion of light. We notice various sources of light in our daily life. Electric bulb, electric torch, street light, car headlamp and sun are some of the common sources of light in our daily life. The sun is the biggest source of light to our planet. Have you ever imagined what is the color of sunlight? Light obtained from the sun and various other sources is called white light. We know that light enables us to see objects and also that sunlight is white in color. Then why objects appear to have different colors? Try to recall what we have studied about the characteristics of light. White light is composed of lights of 7 different colors. When white light falls on an object, the object absorbs most of the light and reflects light of only a specific color. A red rose is red because it absorbs light of other colors and reflects light of red color, which reaches our eyes and makes it appear red. Do you know why objects appear black or white? Black objects absorb all the colors of light, whereas white objects reflect all the colors present in light. You may have observed a rainbow in the sky, vibrant colors on soap bubbles, colors on compact disc, and oily water on the ground. Do you know how this happens? This is due to the dispersion of light. Dispersion of light is splitting of white light into its constituent colors. Let us try to understand dispersion of light using a prism. A glass prism is a transparent object having 3 rectangular faces adjacent to each other and 2 triangular ends. Let us perform an activity to study the dispersion of light through a prism. In order to perform the activity, you will require a glass prism, a table, and a sheet of white paper. Take a prism, place it on a table in front of a window in a room so that sunlight falls on one of the faces of the prism. Look into the prism. Adjust your eye by slightly changing its position till you see a spread of colors in the form of a thick band. You will find that this band of colors consists of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. On holding a sheet of white paper in front of the opposite face of the prism, you will see the band of these 7 colors on it. This phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called dispersion of light. The band of 7 colors formed due to dispersion of light is called spectrum. Now you might be thinking, if all these colors are present in white light, why aren't we able to see these colors apart from dispersion? You have studied that light travels at a constant speed of approximately 3 lakh km per second in vacuum. In air or vacuum, lights of all the colors present in white light travel at the same speed. So we are able to see a mix-up of all these colors, that is white light. This means that white light is actually a mixture of lights of 7 different colors. Let us perform an activity to verify this. The aim of the activity is to find if white light is made up of 7 colors. In order to perform the activity, you will require a Newton's disc, a compass, a small electric motor, a dry cell, connecting wires and a wooden stand to hold the motor. A Newton's disc is a disc colored with the 7 colors of spectrum in equal proportion and proper sequence. You can make such a disc at home by using circular cardboard disc and coloring it with 7 colors of the spectrum in equal proportion as shown in the image. Use a compass to make a small hole at the center of Newton's disc and fix a small electric motor in this hole. Connect the motor to a battery using connecting wires. Now switch on the motor. You will see when the motor spins the disc at a fast speed, all the colors present on the disc disappear and the disc appears white in color. This proves that white light is made up of 7 colors, or we can say that light appears white because it is a mixture of lights of these 7 colors. Now try to answer this question. What causes the splitting of light into its constituent colors? Light travels at a constant speed of approximately 3 lakh km per second in vacuum and with almost similar speed in air. But when light passes through a solid transparent medium such as a prism, lights of different colors present in white light travel with different speeds. When light travels from air to prism, light bends from its straight path, but lights of different colors present in the white light are bent to different extent. Red light has the maximum speed and is bent the least, while violet light has least speed and is bent the most. This is repeated when the dispersed light falls on opposite face of the prism, and the further bending of light occurs when it moves out of the prism. This results in spreading of the colors present in white light, which appear as a continuous band of colors with no distinct separation between any two colors. That was all for today's class. Thank you.